Hi to all engineers, CAD draftmans and architects. I'm Shakur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will learn about saving drawing files with default version in Autocad 2021. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, when we are using Autocad and we want to save our drawing in recent version like 2004 and 2006 version or maybe in 2013 version, then every time we need to select our desired version like this. If I press Ctrl S, now it is saved in 2018 by default. If I click here and if I want to save my drawing in 2004 version, 7, 10 and 13 version of Autocad, then I click every time when I use my new Autocad drawing. So to solve this problem, we can use option dialog box. For that, type OP and press enter. Now the dialog box will open. And now here is open and save tab. Here is file save and click here. And if you want to save your every new drawing in 2004 version, select that version and apply and click on OK. Now if I save my drawing, it's showing Autocad 2004 file type. So in this way, by default we set our version and we work easily. So guys, this is the video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this, please leave a comment. And all the architects, CAD draftmans and engineers, take care yourself and see you soon in the next video.